Hi guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Learning. Hey there, welcome to the new section of this course, and it's a big one. We are now diving into strings in Python. Strings are everywhere in programming, whether you are taking input, showing output, writing messages, or storing names and text. You are working with strings, so it's no surprise that we are dedicating an entire section to fully understand how they work. To help you along the way, I have created a handbook that summarizes key points, especially the stuff that's easy to forget. You can refer it to anytime while coding. Let's create a new folder named strings and open this folder in the VS Code. And now let's create a new Python file named strings.py. We will use this file to play around with the strings concepts. Let's write our first program. Name equals to double quotes Govind print name. If we run this, we will see Govind. You can also use single quotes instead of double quotes. This works exactly the same. Now, here is something interesting. Python allows triple quotes. Triple quotes are often used for multi-line strings, but they behave like also comments when not assigned to any variable. Just remember, if you assign them to a variable, they become actual strings. Now, if you try writing a multi-line string using a single or double quotes, Python will throw an error. But with triple quotes, you can easily write multi-line strings. Use triple quotes only when you need multi-line strings. If you are working with a simple one-liner, then stick to single or double quotes. This avoids accidental new lines from creeping into your strings. And strings are also indexable, which means you can access individual character by their position. Let's say name equals to Govind, then print name on index 0. Then if you run this, you get the first character of the name Govind, which means G in the output. In Python, counting starts from 0, not 1. So the positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Govind characters. So you can try using printing print name on index 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What if you try to access an index that doesn't exist? Then you will get an error, which is an index error, string index out of range. The most important rule to remember, always keep your indices between 0 and length of the string, means n minus 1. Python also supports negative indexing. Let's say if you want to print Govind using negative indexing, you have to start with D, like -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, and -6. So now you can try to print negative indexing using print name -1, print name -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. And then you can see the output. Negative indices count from the end of the string. That's it for the video. In the next video, you are going to learn string slicing and indexing. Keep coding.